In my last video, we took a look at the most expensive gun in Tabor, which can cost up to 150,000 Karuna in-game with all the best attachments. But in today's video, we'll be taking a look at a budget gun instead to see how well it performs in PvP combat. Will this 6,000 Karuna rifle perform just as well as the 150,000 Karuna rifle? There's only one way to find out, and that's testing it out. Hello everyone, I am Too Cryptic, this is Ghost of Tabor, and last week over on my Twitch, I ran only the Scar in my raids, and it performed very well. We were able to hold our own with this much cheaper weapon and got out of a lot of fights as the victor. If you do enjoy the video, please consider leaving a like or even subscribing. Thank you so much to our legendary channel members for supporting the content. Now let's jump into this Ghost of Tabor gameplay video. All right, nobody on the beach it looks like. Nobody there. Somebody way over there though, at Lighthouse sounds like. Let's go check these purple keycards. I ran out of my one-shot energy chews, and I've been buying energy drinks again, which is unhealthy. I need to go back to my delicious cherry chews. Nothing. Damn, no purples. Energy. I need that. Okay, let's get up on roof. Let's take a good position here. On roof. Just mix the chews and the energy drinks. The energy drinks just have a lot of terrible ingredients in them. That's why I need to stop buying them. Got one. Got two! That's a double kill. That is why I like the roof. Double kill, baby! Oh, there's a guy running down radio right now. Alright, he got behind the rock. Have you done a John Wick run? I was thinking about doing a video where I get a kill with every John Wick weapon. I think that could be pretty cool. Did he run farther? He's gotta be behind that rock still, right? But yeah, I think a video with challenge to get a kill with every John Wick weapon would be pretty cool. Got him. Luckily, his aim was worse than ours. That's 3 kills, chat. Let's go. We definitely already completed our kill players mission. Yeah, that's done. We only need 4 more scabs for the kill 100 scabs quest. Scared if I go out there and loot those bags, I'm immediately gonna get shot. Maybe we're fine though. I don't think we're that long into raid yet. 35 minutes left. That's plenty of time. We got some time to kill. Ooh, a flashlight. I want to loot all of labs though. What up, Galil Scab? Secret jumping down from roof. I just don't like doing it because it exposes me so much. I've gotten so many kills shooting people jumping down there because there's no way to take cover there. You're just like fully dead, but you know. That's the only reason I don't do it, just because it feels too dangerous to be out in the open like that, but might have some good loot in there. They should put a static spawn in there or something. We checked purples on the way up, but we know there's no purple spawns. But I do want to loot all the other rooms. There's so many good rooms of loot here. I would like to have some loot. Spoon. Cat food. Smoke grenade. Terrible. Oh my god! Chat! Look what we just found in a drawer, chat. Freaking GPU. Amazing. GPU in a drawer. And that's why you check the drawers, chat. Right there. That is why we get big busted loot like that. We got 2 flashlights. Huge. Some would even say massive. Yo, huge. Thank you so much for the freaking follow. Hong Xiong Daddy. That is a find right there. Alright, is this another... Yeah, it's a JPC. Nothing crazy. Oh my god, another GPU. Okay. That is crazy. Actually, we did find something crazy, chat. Chat! Double GPUs. We got an AR suppressor and an SMG suppressor. Working and lurking, my dude. Hope you have a day is good. Thanks. Hell yeah. Thanks for joining. We got 2 GPUs, chat. That's huge. That's massive. Let's just get the hell out of here with our double GPUs. Nothing in here, really. We'll take this, though. Ooh, 9x19? That could be something. Taking a Glock with AP. Tremendous raid, chat. Tremendous raid. Look at us. Walking out 2 GPUs, AR suppressor, SMG suppressor. We got some other attachments. Golden. My cat just ran into a wall. What do I do? Max attack. Critus. Gyrojet. Eurojet. Gyrojet? I don't know. GG, well played. There's somebody on the beach over here. I don't see anybody. Alright. Make sure we don't get shot in the back walking up to labs. Oh, what the hell? They're shooting at somebody over here already? Who are they shooting at? Oh, fuck. He's right here. Got him! Hell yeah. Damn, that sounds really close already. How'd they get in here? You guys see him fall off the ladder? That was funny. Damn, how'd they get in here so fast? What the fuck? They're already here, chat. They above me? Damn, I thought they were above me. What the hell? Damn, bro, what the hell? No perp. Were they below me that whole time? Were they in the bathroom? Probably. Got him. Let's go. Got the second one. I think he was inside the building. I think he was inside labs. Yoda man, what up? How's it going? Oh, you can heal through bandage now? Yo, that's huge. Got him. Let's go. 3 down, baby. Get these half full mags off our chest here. Switch. Oh my god. Oh, lost that mag. Yo, let's go. Okay, I'll test it out next time I'm bleeding. Nothing there. Damn, bro, we already used half our stems. How funny would it be if there's somebody below us still? Let's jump down and check. Alright, looking clear. Okay. Huge. Look at this chat. Bro, I forgot this MP5 was on my back last game. That's hilarious. I'm gonna do that a lot. I'm gonna forget that there's guns on the adventure bag now. Hilarious. Rip. Rip. Now the energy. Exactly. All right. So we already checked key cards, but we did not check the GPU spawn, so let's go check that. We know 4 players are dead. We killed 3 of them. So let's keep an eye out. Plus me is 5. Oh damn, they already looted this. Is that me? Is that out back? Alright, 5 players are dead. Wonder if he had a teammate. Let's wait a little bit for his teammate in the grass. Lame dirty. Airdrop, let's go, chat. I think I just saw a gun glitch out there. Oh yeah, let's go for airdrop. Damn, bro.
Vector, silencer, crypto wallet. Ooh, AP, that's pretty good. Another crypto wallet. Hell yeah, some good armor. Oh geez. Oh geez. I want to heal, but it's gonna just grab something random instead of the health syringe, isn't it? Okay, thank God. What do you think about the new med system? I hope they add smaller meds. Because right now, most of the time, most of my NRS is wasted. So hope they add smaller meds, because the new NRS are like huge, they take up way too much space. And they have like a full inch radius around them where you can't put things in the bag. So I hope they just add something smaller. And also the new Nerd's Pouch, I've completely given up on using it just because it blocks so much vision now. It's like on this vest, there's so much space down here. Can we just like lower the usable space down so the mag pouches aren't in our vision? Bro, this scab's gonna fucking kill me. Let's go! Oh my god, so many scopes. There we go. I'm dying faster? Oh, weird. I get the red light indicators over here? That's odd. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. We're dying, chat! We're dying! We did it. King of Island, Bugle 64, Poopman 12, Unknown 46, Land Onk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huge raid, chat. We got an airdrop too. That was a pretty good raid. Ooh, we're over here. I thought for a second we were at labs for some reason. Oh man, we've gotten pretty much all prison spawns today. I definitely prefer Lighthouse side, honestly. With both racks full, how much do you make per minute with GPUs? 60, but they are upgraded all the way. So it's definitely less if you haven't upgraded the Intel station. We definitely got people close. Okay. This is dangerous. I shouldn't be full rushing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I should be sitting in those trees and waiting for people to come over the hill. But we hear this bot shooting at somebody. There's one. Got one. Oh, somebody's in the compound already. Holy, that was fast. Make sure this guy didn't have a teammate. SKS. Oh my god, orange keycard, let's go. It's huge. Just thought I heard a bunch of shots, but yeah, two boathouse. Damn. My aim is ass, chat. Aim is booty cheeks. Wait, there's 2 players. There's definitely another team that's on Churchill over here. Definitely 2 people. Yeah, I think he just made it out. I don't want to rush down this ladder. Oh, somebody already got orange. Rip. Did they drop a bunch of shit here? What the hell? Dropped a bag and a Elbav. Alright. Let's go check boathouse, check to see if we got our kill. Damn, we didn't get him, chat. Oh well. He was healing as he was exfilling. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, we didn't get him. Official Texas Red. GG, well played. Don't like this spawn. Bro, we have only spawned on prison side today. That's whack. Hope these bots don't see us. Somebody's definitely from Gore Pit. Go kill Gore Pit guy. Got one. Hello? What's your name? Yeah, no, don't make updates in chat. Oh, you're bleeding, bro. What's up, bro? Alright, we got 2 players. We're at 9 kills now, yeah. Let's turn off the hot mic. What's going on out here? What? Oh, there's a guy right there. What the fuck? Oh, he dead. Alright, 3 players down. There's a guy up top too. Bro, there's 2 guys in the building. Bro, everybody spawned on fucking prison side this time. Where are they gonna go though? There's 2 guys in Warden's office right now. Mag check. What the hell? My mag fell out. What the fuck? Bro! Holy shit! Bro, how many fucking players is that, bro? That 5 kills? Mag check, thank you. You saved my ass there. Why did my magazine fall out of my gun though? Oh, whoops. All right, well, that was a crazy start. We got 5 kills off rip, chat. You put it in your bag, rip. These all looked like nakeds. He was shooting at me with a shotgun. Damn, bro, that's rough. This guy was definitely shooting at me, but his gun's not here. And there was another guy on this hill over here somewhere. Did his stuff disappear? No, it's right here. M16 shotgun. All right. I already looted upstairs. I saw him upstairs. Oh, they just left these fish here? Do they know how good these fish meals are? Oh, whoops. Go check the freaking hill over here. Check out labs, see what's going on. From my best goblin. We did get 5 kills immediately off rip. That was definitely us. He can definitely use these gaps to his advantage. Let's be careful. Bro, how is that not right on his head? Because it wasn't. Mac check. This one's full. I'm gonna run out of ammo. Definitely running out of stems. Oh my god. I believe I did that again. No way to jump up here. All these mags are almost empty. Fuck! Just extract. I want to kill this guy though. Bro, let me climb. Damn, I lit him up there. We're gonna run out of fucking ammo mags. I didn't even see that. Okay. Alright, we're officially out of NRS. Officially out of magazines. If I peek again, he's just gonna fucking one-tap me. Nope. Fucking assholes, giving my position away. He expects me to go to Sniper Rock. Oh, we're about to fucking die. Bring more meds next time, true. Okay, this is gonna be the most dangerous part. Are we gonna make it, chat? Oh, fuck the SKS scav. Fucking bastard. Woo! Let's get the fuck out of here, chat. Damn, bro, if I had more beds, I would stay and fight that guy. But we are out. He's definitely gonna hear that. Fucking canned mixed fruit. Bye, bitch. Bye. Big Boy J, new mall map, Kaiser Int, Wag Monkey Protox, GG, well played. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 players, chat. That's pretty good.
Thank you all so freaking much for watching this video. If you are still here right now, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you watching the whole video. As always, we're gonna give a massive shout out to our legendary channel members, Mr. Python and the Jord. You are both absolutely legendary, and everybody else who's watching right now, you're all legendary in my heart as well. Remember to take care of yourself and your loved ones always, because you're all worth it, and I hope to see each and every one of you in the next video. Bye. Check out this video's sponsor, One Shot Energy. Their delicious energy chews are packed full of only the best plant-based ingredients. Caffeine chews, focus chews, and voice drops are all available at oneshotenergy.com with a 10% discount using code Cryptic or the link in the description. Again, you can get 10% off of your order using code Cryptic at checkout or the link in the description below.